What if I told you the sunlight touching your roof can power your fan, your TV, even charge your phone? Sounds like magic, right? But it's actually simple science. Let's break it down. First, sunlight hits the solar panels. These panels are usually placed on rooftops where they get maximum sunlight. Inside every panel are tiny pieces called solar cells. These cells are made from a material called silicon. When sunlight falls on silicon, it gives energy to tiny particles inside it. These particles are called electrons. The sunlight knocks these electrons loose and makes them move. And when electrons move, electricity is created. This electricity is called direct current, or DC electricity. But our homes don't use DC power. So the electricity goes to a device called an inverter. The inverter's job is simple. It changes DC electricity into AC electricity, which your home appliances can use. Now this electricity flows into your house. Your light turns on. Your phone starts charging, all from sunlight. Here's a cool fact. Just 1 hour of sunlight has enough energy to power the entire world for a year. And another one. Solar panels don't need fuel. They work quietly and don't cause pollution. Solar energy is clean, it is renewable, and it comes free from the sun. So every time you see sunlight, remember, it's not just light, it's power.